This past week, Winona Health was presented with the 2013 Performance Excellence Award by the Performance Excellence Network, or P.E.N. The award recognizes Winona Health's efforts of continuous system improvement. P.E.N. President Brian Lassiter said the award is based on the Malcolm-Baldrige criteria for performance excellence and that the process to receive the award is quite thorough.
The organization submits an application, and it's a rigorous evaluation considering everything about that organization, from its strength of leadership to its core processes, the engagement levels of its workers, how it engages with its customers and patients in this case, and so forth. So we use teams across Minnesota that are trained by us. They're all volunteers to do diagnostics to find strengths and improvement opportunities, and that provides feedback to the leadership of the organization, but also is the foundation of this recognition.
Winona Health President and CEO Rochelle Schultz said the award validates 10 years of hard work by the Winona Health staff.
Our quality journey, which involved not just our clinical care, that's what we provide in the organization, but our financial performance, our patient satisfaction, how we run the whole organization. And it's really kind of our constant striving for excellence of just how do we become a better organization, how do we meet the demands of the industry, of the needs of our community, and how do we do that in really a high performance way. So the process that we used in working with the P.E.N. is really kind of a constant evaluation and improvement, and really achieving that excellence award is given us the highest level of all of that, was really a validation of all of that work.
Winona Health was one of only 2 organizations to receive the Excellence Award this year, the other being Cardinal of Minnesota. All business categories are eligible to participate in the program. Lassiter said they are seeing more healthcare organizations becoming involved.
Small rural hospitals, some critical access hospitals are using it, some very large complex systems. Mayo Clinic Health System is using this framework, has for a number of years. Fairview Health Services in the Twin Cities is beginning to use it. So very large and complex to smaller rural. It applies, it's very scalable, applies to everyone. In Minnesota, there's probably a half dozen or so hospitals that are very engaged in this process. Nationally, that number is well into the hundreds. As healthcare is trying to reform and improve itself, this is one of many useful tools, useful ways to improve outcomes, reduce waste, improve productivity. And Winona Health has been on the journey for 10 years, so they're not new to this improvement effort.
Schultz said receiving the Excellence Award is a great honor. She said the recognition will be beneficial for Winona Health in multiple areas, including employee recruitment.
When you're a little bit of a smaller institution in the big wide world of healthcare and all of that, and it's a very competitive environment when we're recruiting, particularly for physicians. They do look at, what kind of an organization you have, what kind of standards do you have in place, how do you provide care, how do you serve your community, and I think these are all ways that we can show kind of the quality of the institution that's here, and it also demands that there's a lot of engagement for that. So what we also do is make sure that people that we're hiring, whether it's staff or physicians, understand that this isn't about one person or one department or something like that. This is the entire organization all being a part of the effort of making us really a better organization to serve the needs of our community.
After winning the award, Winona Health will not be resting on its laurels. Schultz said the organization has its sights set on national recognition.
This program, the state's program for quality excellence, is really based off of the national Malcolm-Baldrige program, and you actually have to win your state's award before you can even apply at the national level. So our intention would be to go further and actually make an application at the national level for the Malcolm-Baldrige.
Formerly known as the Minnesota Council for Quality, the Performance Excellence Network was founded in 1987. In that time, only 9 organizations have earned the Excellence Award.